Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Made Simple. My name is Naomi. Today's video is going to be an updated wash and go routine for 2018. Last year I did a wash routine in the bathtub. If like me, your hot water used to run out really fast, I developed a way to wash your hair in the bathtub just so that you don't have to deal with cold water, deal with trying to rush through it. You can take your time and kind of enjoy washing your hair. So go back and watch that one from last year. But this one is a regular shower routine, but updated with the products that I've been using this year. So all the products are going to be listed in the description, of course, but just a word on the gels. The gel that I'm using in this video that my hair is having on right now is my go-to product. This is my favorite thing that I've ever used. I've yet to come across something better since I started using it, which was like 2 or 3 months ago, and that is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, the original one. Now, I mentioned in my last curls video that my go-to products, I have some for around $7 that do a better job than the Curls Blueberry Bliss. This is around $24, $25 for the 16 ounce. Obviously, this is not the low-cost version of the product I was talking about. So this is my go-to all-time favorite, but it is a little pricier. If you want the lower-cost version I was talking about, you want to try either the Cantu Curling Custard or the Miel Curling Custard. Both of these give really great definition, last for 2 to 3 days, and they're both around $7. So this is my low-cost version for just everyday things. If I want to really look nice, really look my best, I'm going to go for the Kinky Curly. So that was just a quick word on that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And without further ado, on to the washing video. So this goes without saying, but we're going to start off by rinsing off the hair. Then I'm going to get a quarter-sized amount of the Pure Clean Garnier shampoo and massage it on my scalp. After massaging, I usually take a small dime-sized amount more and use that on the length of my hair. But I'm going to rinse that right out as to keep from drying my hair out. I shampoo every single time I wash, so I'm not really worried about buildup on the hair. After rinsing that shampoo out, I'm going to go in with my conditioner. Once a week, I'll do a deep condition, which is what I'm going to be showing here. But on a regular wash day, I just switch out this step with Tresemme Luxurious Moisture Conditioner. But for today's video, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. That's a mouthful. This isn't a personal favorite. I don't have a personal favorite deep conditioner. This was what was on sale at CVS, and it worked pretty well. So I'm going to start off by grabbing handfuls and just rubbing it all over my hair. Then I section it into 2 parts and tie off one side. Now I'm going to begin finger detangling. To finger detangle, I start from the back to the front, grabbing pieces of hair and breaking them into 2 parts. This is a preliminary detangle to get out the big knots before I go in again. So after I've done this for the whole section, I start again at the back of the head and use my fingers to rake through the hair. You want to keep combing until the hair rakes easily and it's free of tangles. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the whole head, but can get longer if the hair is really tangled. So once one section is done, I'm going to tie that off and then do the same thing on the other side. After my entire head is detangled, I go in and add more conditioner just to make sure the hair is completely coated. I then put all of my hair in a really quick bun and cover it with 2 plastic caps. Now I started using 2 plastic caps because my hair has gotten so long and so thick that I began just breaking my shower caps trying to fit it over my head. So I'm just going to use one to cover the back of my head, the length, and then another to make sure my hairline is covered. And now I'm going to hang out in the shower for 15 to 30 minutes, just exfoliating, shaving, listening to music, literally doing whatever to pass the time. Once I'm officially bored out of my head, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the conditioner out. Now for the final step, the most important step, the gel. I'm going to gel my hair in 4 sections rather than the 2 I used for detangling. To start off, I pull out one section and then tie the rest of the hair back. I take a handful of the Kinky Curly Custard and rub it in my hands and then work it into my hair. After detangling again, I'm going to grab another handful and do this over again. I'm going to keep grabbing handfuls and detangling until I feel like my hair is free of frizz and completely coated with the custard. Once that's done, I'm going to take a second hair tie, tie this section off, and then untie my ungelled section and pull out another small section of hair. Once this small section is pulled out, I'm going to continue that same process over again, grabbing the gel, detangling it, and continuing that until it's frizz-free. Once this section is done, I'm going to untie the first gelled section and then detangle them both together to make sure to blend the sections. Then I'm going to tie this new gelled section off, untie the first ungelled section, and pull out more hair. And I'm going to do that around my entire head. Once all of the sections are gelled, I'm going to pull out all the hair ties and then start to blend all of the hair together. You just want to do a quick detangle over the whole head to make sure there's no parts sticking out other than the one in the front, obviously. Finally, I'm going to grab the length of my hair and just wring out all that excess gel and water. And after that, I'm completely done. I don't use any diffusers or hair dryers. I air dry for a full day, just wearing a jacket to catch all that extra water. So that's my full routine. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!